Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So last year I posted a video showing you the napkin transfer technique on polymer clay, and I received very positive feedback from all of you guys. In this video I'm going to demonstrate another method for transferring napkin prints onto polymer clay, and believe me, this technique is easier and yields even better results. As you guys can see, the results are truly amazing. I work on this white ceramic tile so that I can easily place it in the oven without disturbing the shapes too much. For this technique, you'll need white polymer clay. I use Fimosoft. I haven't tried any other brands, so if you're using Scalpy or any other brands, please share your experience in the comment section below. You'll also need translucent liquid clay, which is the star of the show. Again, if you use any other brand rather than Fimo, kindly share your experience in the comment section. You'll also need a beautiful printed napkin. I bought this one months ago and I adore this print. Additionally, you'll need some cutters. I've chosen these square ones that complement the pattern of my napkin. First, I flatten my clay and cut out my shapes. I'll fast forward this process until I have all my shapes ready. Then I'll apply some liquid clay to all the earrings. And I will use my flat brush to spread the liquid clay all over the shapes. You guys should make sure to cover every inch of these earrings, including the edges. If you need more liquid, add more and continue spreading. After that, I use my finger to rub the liquid to ensure that it's evenly distributed on all my earrings. I found that using my finger works better for even spreading without leaving any brush strokes. Now I cut out the pattern that I want to transfer to my napkin. If your pattern is not tile-like and it's more like all over the place shapes, then I would recommend to cut a little bit larger than your earring shapes, and that would be much easier. Then I removed the extra napkin layer, leaving only the main pattern, the very thin main pattern. I carefully place the napkin on the earring, and the liquid clay that you've spread before will act as glue here. Ensure that the napkin adheres to the earring, paying attention to the corners and edges. Repeat this process for all the other earrings, cutting the desired shape, removing the extra layer, attaching it to the clay, and ensuring that all the edges adhere. This pattern can be challenging, as I said. I need to ensure it's centered, but it's easier for patterns that aren't tie-like. Afterward, apply another coat of liquid clay on top and spread it. The first layer, as I mentioned, acts as glue, and this top layer acts as sealer, eliminating the need for additional sealing or rubbing after the baking process. Once all my earrings are ready, I use a needle tool to make holes in them. If you have a Dremel, you can skip this step, but I don't, so I need to make the little holes for the posts after baking. So now place the earrings in the oven and bake them. My liquid clay bakes at 130 degrees Celsius, so that's the temperature I use for my clay. If you want to know how to make them double-sided, stay tuned until end of this video. So I've just taken them out of the oven and here they are. To remove the extra napkin on the edges, you have two options. You can use scissors to cut off the excess, or you can soak them all in the water and the tissue will become soft and easily come off. Or it will come off during the sanding step. At this point, even you can just pull them from the edges and they will come right off. All the places that you put the liquid clay on, they are all sealed and they won't chip off or like altered in any way, but all the parts that you didn't, they now can come right off. So here are the earrings, all dried up and sanded. I just realized that I only made 5 of those smaller squares, so I made a miscalculation because I was too excited to make this video. So please excuse my lonely earring on the left, but lucky for her, I made her double-sided, so no worries. Since this earring was all by itself, I decided to conduct a little extra experiment on it. I wanted to see if I could follow the same steps on baked clay, and the spoiler alert, you can. The back side is not sanded and it's the ugliest back ever, I know, but I applied some liquid clay on it, then rubbed it with my finger, and I cut my tile, removed the extra napkin. I placed the napkin on the back, sealed it with some more liquid clay before putting it in the oven to bake. And here is the result. So here is my double-sided earring, and good news is that you can also use this exact method on baked clay. It's like my mind is just blowing at the moment. So if you want to cover the backs of your earrings, make them double-sided, or conceal any unattractive baked earrings, this method can truly save you a lot of time and a lot of trouble and transform your creations. I'll attach the post to the dangle earrings and show you the final results. And here are the final results. As you can see, we not only retained all the details and colors, but also colors are even more vibrant and beautiful. I can't think of any reason why you would need to seal this, because this liquid clay serves as sealer by itself and you don't need any extra sealer at this point. These earrings are incredibly durable, and you have my word that nothing will happen to them. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please share your results and your experience with this method in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also be sure to share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day.